Think your mortgage payment is crazy? AMD's new 9900 X3D, the 12-core variant, wants $600 of your hard-earned money, whereas the 16-core wants $700 of your hard-earned money. Will these prices stick, or will tariffs come in and crush your wallet? Who knows? Let's get into this. Hey everyone, it's your boy Lot Tech back again with more awesome tech news. Now everyone's anticipating the RDNA 4, but another thing's getting launched around the same time as RDNA 4, and you guessed it, it's the next gen X3D chip, the 12 core and the 16 core. So that's the 9900 X3D and 9950 X3D respectively. Now with tariffs going on a craze and affecting everything, as you see even with the video cards jacking prices up way over on AIB partners, even at Micro Center, we all know that we're expected impending tariff tax on top of these new silicons for GPUs and CPUs. Hopefully, it's not as crazy as the GPUs got so far, especially with the 50 series as an example, but we don't know until they actually get released. Now, it said that they're going to be around 600 for the 12 core and 700 for the 16 core, which is, I guess, is a good thing and a kind of thing, because last gen, I think it was 7950 X3D and 7900 X3D, they came out and launched at the same MSRP. So you would think, hopefully, the performance that we see whenever the reviews come out are equal to this being the same price as your last gen predecessors. We don't know, we can't speculate. All we can do is deal with these little hints and little tidbits that AMD is dropping. Now, it's kind of exciting that they are planning to launch them or announce them the same time as the 9070 and 9070 XT. But for our sanity, I really hope that the tariffs don't affect the CPUs too much. As far as the level of the GPUs, like, I mean, look around you, like, the GPUs are going crazy with pricing. Like, things that's supposed to be like $70 of MSRP because of the tariffs are against $150 slapped on top of the MSRP price, and things are like the 5070 Ti are going like $1,400 almost, or not even $1,400, like $1,200, where you're going into the 5080 territory. So you're paying the 80 class card price for a thing that's less performance than the 80 class card. So the tariffs are affecting crazy. And let's not get started on the other taxes that people like jacking on. AIB is like paying their own tax, like ASUS like paying their ASUS tax, and everyone wants to add on extra money for something that's just a white variant of the black regular one. So you expect at least 3 types of taxes: the tariff tax, the color tax if it's a white one, and the brand tax of whatever brand you get, especially ASUS, who been really the primary for most times, the primary person that charge you for the name. But we can only speculate, but I really hope that the tariffs don't affect them too much, because the CPU is like the brain of the computer. So literally, if you're paying a whole bunch of money, almost the price of nowadays video cards for the CPU, you better give some performance, way over performance leap over the last gen. We don't want no 10 or 15% over the last gen X3D. So which means, for me personally, minimum of 25% uplift over the 12 core 700 X3D and the 16 core 750 X3D. That's why I'm praying that the 9950 and 9900 X3D give us results wise in all the games, the max settings, all the other benchmarks you all like seeing. So I'm hoping that these taxes don't get going crazy. And I'm really hoping that both chips do come out on MSRP like they're listed, $599.99 and $699.99. Tongue twister there. But if that's the case and we do get the 25% minimum that I'm hoping, then I think it's good to pay that amount for it, because it's the same price that last gen launched. So if they do any less, then it's DOA. Literally DOA. We don't need AMD having any more DOA entries or missing any other opportunities that they get, because they like squandering their chances to give NVIDIA a gut punch, and that's been their meme throughout the years outside of their CPUs. For their GPUs, it's always been a meme. Never misses an opportunity to do an opportunity or use an opportunity. So hopefully they learned, and the whole them waiting and delaying both the chips and the GPUs compared to where they're trying to launch at first, like a month ago, I'm hoping this is them telling us that they actually learned and listened to us, not to rush stuff just to be cat and mouse with NVIDIA. You already told us that you don't want to compute high end. You already told us that you want to expect proper performance for the prices you charge for the next X3D CPUs, the 12 and the 16 core. So hopefully we can take them at their word and actually give us 25% and more. It'd be great if it's more, but I'll be cautiously optimistic that both the RDNA 4 and the X3D 12 and 16 core are a smashing success, because we need some competition in the market so no one is keep monopolizing like Nvidia and other people monopolizing pricing and taking advantage of the tariffs and all the other taxes like tapping on just for the name. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Are you looking forward to the 9950 and 900 X3D like I am? Are you hoping that they are MSRP like I am? Let me know if you plan to do an upgrade like me. Do you plan to get 12 or 16 core? I'm probably going to go for the 16 core because I'm trying to get into streaming, but y'all let me know in your comments below what y'all want or which chip y'all would choose. Until then, this is your boy Lock Tech signing out.